What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to show you how you can go and create these 8-hour looped ambiance videos that are getting tons of views on YouTube at the moment, and also how to go and create anywhere between 2 and 3 streams of income from this. You don't need to record your own videos or your own voice, no camera needed, so you don't need to talk on camera or on the screen, and there are multiple ways to monetize this type of content without the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber requirements. So you don't actually need to be monetized to start making money with this, but I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can pretty quickly get to 1,000 subscribers with the help of a couple of tools and other platforms to grow organically. In the beginning, things might go a little bit slower than what you want, but there's a reason behind the algorithm for this, which I'm going to explain throughout this video so that you can actually overcome that. And you can utilize a lot of other platforms to grow your page very quickly, which I'm also going to go over in this video. And this kind of content does get monetized. I know in some of the YouTube policies, they state that stock videos or any kind of content that's not your own content doesn't get monetized, but all of the channels that I follow in this niche, YouTube is running ads on these videos, which means it does get monetized. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get straight into this video. I firstly want to show you an example of a couple of YouTube channels doing this. If I just go and search Ambience on YouTube, there are quite a few big channels in this niche, but there aren't that many. I've only found, I would say, about 2 to 3 channels with 100,000 subscribers plus in this niche. Maybe there's 1 or 2 with 1 million that I haven't found yet, but a lot of them consist of small channels. For example, I like this example over here of this YouTube channel simply because they are still very small with only 5,000 subscribers. So this makes it more realistic and understanding in what you can achieve from this in the beginning. And over time, I'm going to show you how far you can actually scale this to. So this is a YouTube channel doing 12-hour loops of seaside coffee morning ambiance videos, and they get anywhere between, I would say, 50 to 300% view to subscriber ratio, meaning most of their videos get more views than what they have subscribers, because I find the algorithm is really pushing this type of content at the moment. A lot of people like it. It gets tons of audience retention simply because people play these kind of videos on their TVs or their phones or their laptops at night. They leave it on repeat and almost forget to turn it off, especially at nighttime when people are relaxing. So these videos play through hours and get hours of watch time per viewer. So the algorithm is really pushing this type of content at the moment because remember, YouTube is a business. YouTube wants to keep people on its platform, and that's exactly what these types of videos are doing. So I want to show you how you can go and find the content for this without recording it yourself, put it together, and start your own YouTube business out of this. My name is Jay, and I've been posting on YouTube every day for the last 3 years. I've learned quite a lot about the YouTube algorithm throughout my YouTube journey, and I enjoy sharing these tips on my YouTube channel to help other fellow YouTubers grow their YouTube channels. Remember, with YouTube, you can create any type of content business that you want to. There are nearly 8 billion people in this world, nearly a couple billion active users on YouTube. So there is always a market for a niche that people will be watching. I fully believe that there is a market for anything in any type of business that you want to start. So the first thing you need to go and do is, in starting this type of YouTube channel, you want to focus on your YouTube name, icon, and channel art when creating a YouTube channel. So a very good example is anything relaxing. You can come over to Google and get tons of ideas. You can come over to Google and type ambiance logo template. Go have a look through Google Images and just go and find ideas on different ambiance logo templates. My favorite place to this day, which I used way in the beginning of my YouTube journey, was canva.com to go and get logos and YouTube channel art. If you type in logo over here, you can come over to circle logo on canva.com and you will find tons of different logo templates that you can use for your YouTube channel, and just type in your own YouTube name. When creating a YouTube channel, I recommend use some kind of name that is relative to the ambiance niche. So for example, calmed by the seaside, or you can go over to Google and again search ambiance business name generator, click on enter. You can go click on peaceful business names over here, type in a keyword, for example ambiance, click on generate, and it will give you a whole bunch of different ideas that you can use. So I've got your keywords ambiance and peaceful. We've got peaceful in here, comfort and peaceful, the family kettle, that's actually quite a cool personal name, Coco's basket. So over here you will find tons of ideas that you can go and use for your YouTube channel. Once you've got a YouTube name, go and create your YouTube channel with your YouTube name, your icon, and your channel art, which again, you could have of palm trees, you could have of something, any relaxing or that nature. The two best platforms I go and use to find content for my 8-hour loop videos is usually Pixabay and Pexels.com. Otherwise, you can go over to Google and just search Ambience stock photos. So I searched up Ambience on Pixabay.com and found some really good content for this strategy. For example, we've got a lot of snow Ambience videos over here, which we can use. So if I go and click on one of these, you will see that these videos are only 1 minute. Now, if you go and play throughout these 12-hour videos over here, again, you'll see this is an ad busy running on this channel, so this type of content does get monetized. But you'll see this entire video that's running for 12 hours is the same. Just click play. If I skip a bit here, is the same 1 minute video on loop for 12 hours with various different background and ambiance and relaxing songs. So it's really easy to edit. You can paste the 1 minute video and just paste in your editing software for up to 12 hours and it will just automatically loop for you. That's why I really like this, because it's really easy to do, especially for most of you guys being beginners to YouTube and creating content. It's really not that difficult, and I'm going to go throughout the entire editing process for you. So once you find a couple of videos on Pixabay or Pexels.com, you can come over to the free download button over here. I recommend download it in the highest quality possible, in this case 1080p. So I'm going to click on download, and this will automatically download to my PC over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create a new folder just called, let's go, Ambience videos, and I'm going to put all my content in this video over here. So now I've got my video. A great place to go and get sounds for your videos, I use zapsplat.com or freesound.org. You can come over to any one of these websites and just go and search up Ambience. Let me just reload here. My internet's a bit bad today. Let me try as well. Ambience, click on enter, and it will give you a whole bunch of different relaxing ambient sounds. For example, children playing, Florida frog sounds, seaside waves, suburban night. You can click on download over here, and this will be then downloaded to your PC. So we can then open this up in a new folder, wait for this to finish downloading, copy your audio to your folder so everything is just neatly organized. So we've now got our ambience video and our ambience song. All we need now is an editing software to go and loop this for 12 hours. One of the best free open source editing software out there is called openshot.org. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I speak about this a lot when it comes to creating content, simply because you can download it on Linux, Windows, or Mac, and it's just like Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas, except it's completely free. So you can download this to your PC over here completely for free. On my PC, I've got Sony Vegas, which is very similar to that of openshot.org. So I'm going to go and open up my Sony Vegas over here, which again, you would just follow the same steps in openshot.org. The exact same applies. Openshot.org will look very similar to this. So what you can do is you can open up your folder with your ambience content inside. You can drag your video from your folder to the field over here on openshot.org. Again, you can go and drag, I just lost it here. You can go and drag the audio file underneath, and it's as simple as this. You can go and drag this video across until you get to 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours, or as long as you want your video to be. So I'm just going to go and drag it for the example of this video. Let's make it an hour-long loop. I would make it a lot longer, but this is just an example for this video. We can drag it to 1 hour, 1 minute, or let's try and get it to an hour precise over here. So this is 1 hour exactly. And then same thing with the song. We can just drag this all the way out to 1 hour. Or what you can go and do is you can go download multiple ambience songs or audio background files, whatever you want to call it, and paste them throughout the video so that you have a different variation of ambience music throughout your video. But to go and loop the same song, you would just go and drag this out to 1 hour or 12 hours or however long you want this. Once your video is ready, you can go and highlight your entire video, go and click on File, Render As. I'm not sure if OpenShot has a similar kind of a feature or similar kind of templates, but you want to go and make sure it's any of the 1080p format. So over here, I just usually use the 1080p 25 fps. You can go and save this in your same folder, click on render, and this video will then be saved to your PC. Now, before we go and upload this video to YouTube, we need to prepare our thumbnail, our title, and our tags and our descriptions to ultimately optimize our video for the YouTube algorithm. I want to show you a tool that I've been using since the beginning of my days on YouTube called videomarketingblaster.com to really help me out with perfectly optimized title, tags, and descriptions, called videomarketingblaster.com. So, like it says on the screen, 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube is how this tool works. It will help you generate a tidal wave of free targeted traffic instantly without knowing SEO, without building backlinks, or without writing any content yourself. It will find untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited, and this tool costs $27. So there is a fee to this tool. It's not required, but it will help you a lot. There's no monthly subscription for this tool. It's a once-off price of $27. I'm going to log into this tool just in a bit to show you how this works, but secondly, we need to go and master our thumbnails. Another tool that I go and use for this is called thumbnailblaster.com. This is an artificial intelligence tool that will create attention-grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks with the words that you type in for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So if I scroll down over here, it takes 3 simple steps. All you do is you select a simple template. I'm going to show you a couple of templates just in a bit. You can click, edit, and customize your own text, images with a simple drag and drop interface, and you can publish them on your videos and improve your click-through rate. Here are just a couple of templates. This is just a few templates out of a total of about 100 templates that you can go and use, but they supply templates for every different niche possible on YouTube. Again, I'm going to go over this program in a bit. Firstly, if I come over to the back end of my Thumbnail Blaster program, you will get a link to this login once you purchase that tool. You will see all the different templates over here. I can scroll down. There's way more. I would say there's close to 500 templates over here. When creating ambiance videos, I like to go and look for any kind of calm template. Remember, you can change the backgrounds, you can change the text, you can do anything that you want to these videos. Or another good way to go about this is to go and get ideas of thumbnails that the top channels are using in this niche. For this specific type of content, I recommend just go and open up your stock video that you've downloaded of the snow. You can go and open it up in full screen, take a screenshot and go and enhance it with a tool like Photoshop, or just use the screenshot as is as your thumbnail. With specifically ambiance and these loop videos, you don't want a lot of text on your thumbnails. You just want a calming image that is relative to your video as the thumbnail of your video. So now you've got your thumbnail made, which you can either go and do on Thumbnail Blaster. And secondly, I want to go over Video Marketing Blaster so that you can learn how to go and rank on the top pages for your specific ambiance keyword. This is the back end of Video Marketing Blaster, and it's really easy to use. Firstly, we need to go and have a look and do some research onto keywords. So we can go and search here, for example, the ambiance keyword. It will list a whole bunch of different keywords that it recommends for you to use and to rank for. So these are keywords that are getting a lot of search traffic but don't have a lot of competition, which is the sweet spot that you want to hit on YouTube. Once you found a good keyword, for example, rainy night coffee shop ambiance, you can go and copy this keyword or just go and highlight copy. Come over to video details over here. Now that you've got your keyword, we can go and generate our video details. It will take you to this new tab. Go and click on Generate Details. Paste your main keyword. Go and click on Next Step for your secondary keywords. Click on Coffee Shop Ambiance, Calm by Nature, Coffee Shop Ambiance by Music. Click on Next Step. Click on Generate, and it will automatically generate done for you title, done for you description, and done for you tags that you can go and copy and paste into your video when you're busy uploading. So it will rank you on the top page of YouTube and Google for the search term rainy night coffee shop ambiance. Now that you've got your videos made, your title, descriptions and tags and thumbnails made, you're ready to go and post onto YouTube. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, things might go a little bit slower than what you want in the beginning. That's because the YouTube algorithm is designed to pick out and identify consistent creators and will reward those that are putting effort into YouTube. So YouTube is not a platform where you post once or twice and get 100,000 views. It just doesn't work like that. You need to post and set a schedule, whether you want to post daily, every second day, every third day or twice a week. Stick to that schedule so that the algorithm can see how consistent you are and if you are working hard enough, and it will over time start pushing your videos more and more. I find YouTube pushes your videos, or your first viral video comes after your first 30 to 40 videos. So that's a tip that I've learned from YouTube that I can give you, and why I emphasize on stay consistent with the strategy, and it will pay off. All of these kind of strategies do take kind of effort. If you're lazy and don't want to work at this, I recommend don't do it. Don't post once a week and then don't post for a month and then post again. You need to stick to a consistent schedule, and that way you'll be rewarded, especially with Video Marketing Blaster and your thumbnails. You will grow a lot more than a lot of your competition. Secondly, what I recommend you go and do is go and utilize these short video platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, where those kind of platforms are the type of platforms where you can get 100,000 views overnight. That's just how these algorithms work. And you can actually go and utilize, I'm just going to pause this, and you can actually go and utilize this to funnel a lot of traffic from these short video platforms to YouTube, which essentially gets you more subscribers, views, monetization. So come over to TikTok and go and search Ambience over here and go and have a look at different Ambience creators on TikTok. You can go and create 30-second clips of your videos. So you can come over back to openshot.org, just make a 30-second sample or template of this and go and post this onto your own page. Here's a good example over here. This person just reposted or made their own 50-second version of this, and it got 50,000 likes. I'm trying to see the views. 53,000 views. Sorry, they got over 53,000 views. This person of a piano got over 843,000 views. This ambiance of a city got over 700,000 views. So these videos do get views, and all you want to do is, let me see if this channel is doing it. Yeah. So they've got their YouTube channel promoted in their bio, and that way they're funneling a lot of traffic from TikTok to YouTube. Finally, a great way to go and unlock a second stream of income with this is to utilize the power of affiliate marketing. So clickbank.com is an affiliate marketplace where you can go and find the perfect product for this niche in the spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. So if you come over to this category over here, a lot of these products have to do with manifestation, relaxing, that kind of thing over here. And a good product that I really like for this is the Bioenergy Code, which is a manifestation offer, which has usually got to do with meditation and that kind of topic. And you will go and get $71 every sale that you make, and over $17 every month reoccurring for the rest of your life. So when promoting on ClickBank, I always recommend go and look for the products that have reoccurring billing, because that will give you a passive income, meaning it's got some kind of subscription-based affiliate program, which will give you that cash flow in your business. So go and click on promote on your affiliate offer over here. Click on generate hop link. Go and click on generate hop link. And this link, I just recommend come over to bit.ly, bit.ly. Come over to the first link over here, and you can go and shorten your link just to make it look a lot more neat and not so long and spammy like this. So click on shorten, and you've now got a shortened URL. If I paste this in a new tab, it will take you to the funnel and the landing page of this specific product. As you can see over here, there's obviously a webinar or sales video to this product, and this link you can then leave in the descriptions of your videos, and viewers will naturally inspect your description, click on your link, and that way, as your channel grows consistently, you'll be getting more signups and sales. If you go and set the daily target of one sale a day, that's $71 a day plus $17 a month. 2 sales a week is $140 a week plus $34 a month. Soon enough, if your channel grows to the point where you're getting millions of views, you will find you'll be getting between 10 and 100 sales a day, which is potentially $700 to $1,000 a day just in ClickBank sales from your YouTube channel, regardless of YouTube ad revenue. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more if you want to focus on a strategy like this and go and focus just on building your YouTube channel. And at the same time, if you want to plug in more professional affiliate marketing techniques into your YouTube channel, I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. One playlist is focused purely on YouTube growth, utilizing the YouTube algorithm and other platforms to grow your YouTube channel. And secondly, my Kartra training playlist over here, which will teach you how to go and create funnels, landing pages, email sequences for affiliate products like this one over here to ultimately convert more leads or viewers from your YouTube channel into sales. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, go throughout them, learn them, apply this to your YouTube channel, and reap the rewards after doing this after a while consistently. So go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.